In this video, we are going to see Unit 2 Sports, Lesson 1. The topic is the strength in his weakness. Already we have seen part 1 of the video. In this video, we are going to see part 2. In part 1, we have seen about Agilan. Agilan was a small, active and energetic boy. He had a passion for sports, but he also remembered his father's words, learn well, live well. So he had given importance for both studies and sports. They were like his eyes. Finally, one day, Agilan told his parents about his passion for judo. After a few months in an accident, Agilan lost his left hand, but his parents liked to fulfill his passion. Agilan joined a judo school to learn judo. Up to this, we have seen in part 1 video. Let us move to part 2 of the video. Everyone wondered how a boy with one arm could master judo. Agilan learned and practiced constantly for 2 years. He practiced only a single stroke for 2 years. Agilan was surprised and annoyed as his master taught him only one stroke, but soon he mastered the stroke. So, what is the meaning of this paragraph? All the people were surprised how a boy with one hand became a master in judo. Continuously 2 years he learned and practiced a single stroke. We have to learn many strokes, but his master practiced him only one stroke for 2 years. Agilan was surprised and annoyed. Annoyed means anger or irritate. But Agilan was wondered and irritated and got angry because his master practiced him only one stroke for 2 years. So he got angry, but soon he was mastered the stroke. Mastered means he learned very well. No one can good in that stroke, but he was excel in that stroke. No one can defeat him easily. See next paragraph. To everyone's surprise, Agilan was picked by the master for national judo competition. Everyone ridiculed Agilan and his master, as they were not sure how a boy with one hand could win a national competition. To everyone's surprise, Agilan easily defeated all his 6 contenders with his single stroke. Agilan reached the finals. So, what is the meaning of this sentence? Agilan had participated for national judo competition by the help of his master. Everyone ridiculed. Ridicule means mocking. All the people, the audience, mocking Agilan and his master. Why? Because Agilan has one hand. So the people thought, how could a boy can fight with one hand? So they were mocking Agilan and his master. But Agilan easily defeated all his 6 contenders. Contenders means opponent or contestant. With his single stroke. Then he entered the final. See the next paragraph. Agilan's heart was beating fast and he could not believe that he was in the finals. The final match began and it had 6 rounds. The opponent was very strong and defeated Agilan easily in the first 2 rounds. The referee blew his whistle. Then Agilan's master rushed to him and said, "Believe yourself. The key to success is to focus on your strengths, not your weakness." What is the meaning? The final round had 6 rounds. The opponents were very strong, so they easily defeated Agilan in the first 2 rounds. The referee blew the whistle. Agilan's master came towards him and motivated Agilan. What he said, don't give up, believe yourself, don't focus your weakness, focus your strength. There are the words Akilan's master advised and encouraged him. What is his weakness? He did not have left hand, so he wasn't nervous. Fighting with two hands also very tough, but he was fighting with one hand, and also his master taught him only one stroke, so he wasn't nervous. Then see the next paragraph. Akilan felt some new energy rushing through him. He did not want to lose his match. Akilan understood the hidden hint his master gave him. He had to focus on his single stroke and not on the strength of the opponent. Bomb, bomb, bomb. 4 strokes and 4 knockouts. Akilan had won the finals. He was the champion. Akilan thanked his master for training him and for believing in him. Soon Akilan's curiosity took over and he asked, "How did I win the competition with a single stroke?" His master told him, "My dear, you learned the most difficult stroke in judo that very few can master. If your opponent wants to beat you, they should hold your left hand. This is the secret behind your victory." So let us see the meaning of the paragraph, children. Akilan had won the finals. He was the champion. Akilan was very happy and he thanked his master for his training and for his faith towards him. But Akilan eagerly wanted to know how he could win the competition with a single stroke. So he asked his master. His master told him, "Very few only can learn that stroke. You learn that stroke. That is the most difficult stroke in judo. And also, if you use that stroke, the opponent want to beat you, they should hold your left hand. Your weakness is the secret to win." His master said. Now Akilan understood why his master had taught him a single stroke for 2 years. Now he felt proud of his master. Okay, children, what is the moral of the story? We should not think about our weakness. We should think about our strength. Then only we can become a star. We should not fed up with our failures. We should not give up. If we work hard, surely we can achieve. So try till success. Okay, children, I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you, children. Bye.